Hey y'all, what's up? We're here at the park again trying to get that rocket to lift off. We called Estes and they said change the batteries, so we did. So let's see what happens. What do we want to do, William?
Yeah, we told him then it'll go up in the tree and then he has to delete it.
William, I hope it doesn't go up in that tree. All right. So where do we want that baby to go, William?
That way.
Yeah, hopefully it will.
Yeah, hopefully it'll go up there and then it'll go down in the tree and then they'll see it.
No way, William. Then we'll be out of rocket again. All right, let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Lift off. All right, here we go. Wait, where is it? All right, William, press the button.
No, I'm fine.
No, press that button. Watch it, there it goes. Well, that lady was right. Oh, there's the parachute. Boy, that baby's high, William. We're never going to get that baby back. I can't even see it. Oh, great. We need a bigger field, William. We need a bigger field. That baby is long gone. That's going right for that tree. Well, nice knowing you, Rocket. It was fun having you blast off once. Oh, shoot. Please don't go in that tree. 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 Please, 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 please don't go in that tree. Please don't go in that tree. Please don't go in that tree. Please, no! It made it, William. Let's go get it. Woohoo! Let's go get it, William. Let's go get it. I think it was a 6. I think it landed, William. Let's go get it, hurry. I think it's in the streets. Hurry, William, hurry. I know. Where is it? Do you see it?
That's fine, it's ugly.
Where is it?
It's right there.
I don't see it anywhere. There she is! Woohoo! All right, y'all. A successful launch. What do you think? Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, William. Give it to me.
My thumbs are broken.
Your thumbs are both broken?
Yeah. Because that I didn't stay.
William.
Please don't do that to me.
William, let's take a look and see the navigation that had to happen for this baby to land right here. I'm going to show.
How about we do it
all right.
again,
So, so guys, that's the trees. And it had to come down in that little area right there for it not to get stuck in this big giant tree. Or any of these big giant trees. We were so lucky. William, I'm sorry. I hope you saw that one. We're gonna have to find a bigger field. That one's entirely too small. That rocket went up about 1,200 feet. I think I bought the engines that are a little bit too powerful. And I cut a hole in the parachute so it'd come down faster, and that thing still just drifted for a mile. All right, big boy. Say, see you later, fans.
See you later, fans.
Say, successful rocket launch.
Successful rocket launch.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Woohoo, poopy! I said woohoo, poopy.
I know.
Let's get the rocket out and just, what did the...
Bail out?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. See you later.
See you later.